Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about Cash App step-by-step tutorial for seniors. How to send money on Cash App. So for the first step, let's start by downloading the Cash App. Go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search Cash App. It has a green icon with a white dollar sign. Tap install or get and wait for it to download. Once installed, open it up. You have to sign up using either your phone number or email address. Pick up whichever one is easiest for you. Cash App will send you a special code to verify your identity. Then type in the code. After that, you'll be asked to link a debit card or a bank account. This is important to add or take out money from your account. Now at the home screen you will see Cash App balance in the middle and a dollar sign at the bottom. To send money, tap the dollar sign, enter the amount and then tap pay. You'll be asked to enter the person's cash tag, phone number or email. You can add note if you want and hit pay again. And to receive money, tap the dollar sign again, enter the amount and tap request. Choose who you want to request from and send it. If someone wants to send you money, give them your cash tag. You can find it by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner. And don't worry, Cash App is safe to use. Just remember to double check the person's info before sending money and don't share your sign-in code with anyone. Cash App will also never ask for it over the phone. So this was it for today's video. I hope this was helpful for you, for all the seniors who are wanting to send, receive or request money on Cash App. So don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified whenever we upload another tech tutorial video. I'm sorry for stuttering a little bit. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Take care.